Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to use Randomizer on Whatnot. First, you should go and open your browser, then search for Whatnot. Go to Whatnot, and after that, you'll have to click on Become a Seller. Once you become a seller and create your own seller account, you will see a page just like so. Simply click on your profile on the top right side, then go and click on Seller Hub. And now here on the left side, you can navigate to shows. Click on this arrow, then go and click on shows. And here it will open this interface. If you have already created a show, just click on open show. Then here it will navigate you through this page. And here you can see all the tools available. Simply click on more, then click on seller tools. And here in this section, you should see the randomizer tool. And that's all for today. Support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and thank you for watching.